In this help video, I'd like to look at including new symbol mapping for symbols that are currently in MTPredictor's database. As an example, we'll have a look at gold on IQFeed data, gold's XAUUSD. So to check this, first let's go to our MTPredictor 8, let's go to Tools, let's come down to Symbol Manager, let's search for the symbol XAU and see what we can find. You can see here it finds it as a CFD, contract for differences, XAUUSD. Remember, this is the MTPredictor symbol. So if I click on it so it's highlighted, then I do edit, you can just check whether all these values are correct, but then go to the symbol mapping tab. Do you see this symbol mapping tab? So click on this and you can see here there's the symbol maps for the different providers we have, and you can see the IQFeed one, there's something missing here, there's nothing here, so it's not mapped to IQFeed. So let's add this in and then you can plot the XAUUSD using IQFeed data. So how do we know what the IQFeed symbol is? Well, if we just come out of here and we go to the MTPredictor website, here's the MTPredictor website, let's come to, under software versions, come to MTPredictor 8.1 data. Do you see that? And now if you scroll down here, we have a link to the IQFeed symbol list. You see that? It says to check what symbols are available, please check the IQFeed symbol list. And there's a hyperlink there. So if I click on this, it takes us to the IQFeed website, and here's all the IQFeed symbols. There's all the futures ones in the different exchanges, the indices, the stocks, the funds, options, etc., etc. But the XAUUSD actually comes under the Forex section. So here's the Forex section. Click on the FXCM because this is the provider if you're using the Forex data only from FXCM. I think it's the $30 a month one. So click on the FXCM here, and you can see here are the symbols for the FXCM Forex symbols. If I scroll down, you can see here's the XAUUSD, and it's XAUUSD.FXCM. Can you see that one there? So what I'll do is I'll just highlight that, or you can just remember it, write it down. I'm just going to copy it. But that's the symbol we need to use in MTPredictor, the XAUUSD.FXCM. So if I now go back to MTPredictor and go back to Tools, Symbol Manager, symbol, we'll search for it again. And now click on it so it's highlighted, and then do edit, and now we go to the symbol map, and now you can see in the IQFeed section what we have to do is add in the symbol map for this IQFeed data feed. So you click on IQFeed, click on it so it's highlighted, you see it's highlighted, come down to edit, and now put in the provider symbol here. So if we click in there, and then I'll put in, I've just copied and pasted it in there, the XAUUSD.FXCM. There it is, there's the provider symbol in there, and if I do OK, you can see now it's put into that section there. I'll now do OK, I'll now do OK, and we now should be able to plot the symbol. But before you do that, I suggest you close and then reopen MTPredictor 8. So I'm going to just do that now. I'm going to close, I'm just going to save everything, and there it is, closed. I'm now just going to reopen MTPredictor 8. The reason I close and then reopen is it allows the software to then save and then reread the database, so it actually knows the new symbol that you put in. If you just try and plot it without closing and reopening, it won't have had a chance to reread the database. So always make sure after you've changed the symbol or edited the symbol, go to then close MTPredictor, then reopen it. Oh, not quite sure what happened there. I think I must have got the mouse clicked slightly wrong. I'll just try and reopen it again. So here we are from there. And now I'm just reopening my existing layout with IQFeed data. So it's just bringing in my existing layout. Just wait till the data feed is connected. Disconnecting IQFeed now. It's loading my current workspaces. There it is there. So let's see if we can now plot that symbol. So I'm just going to go to a new chart, and now I'm going to go to XAU, which is the one we wanted, and there it is, XAUUSD, which is gold on a CFD, contract for differences. And now let's just try plotting, say, a 15-minute chart of XAUUSD here. So if I do OK now, you can see there it is, there's your gold symbol plotted in there. As you can see, so it's quite easy indeed, but remember the first thing to do is just to go to our symbol manager and just check whether that symbol is in our database already. So if it's in our database already, which is there, then edit it and then go to the symbol map and then just check whether that's the symbol map is in there for the provider you are using. In this case, we're using an example for IQFeed, but if you were, say, doing it for bar chart, it would be exactly the same procedure. You just put in the symbol for bar chart. So once it's in there, you can then plot that symbol in MTPredictor. As you can see, very easy indeed to add a new symbol map to a symbol that's already in the MTPredictor database.